Alright guys, just wanted to do a quick review of my Gen 4s, the G22 and the G17. Biggest difference being the multiple backstrap system. I like the Gen 4s just as they come out of the box. Each one of the back straps, the medium and the large, add an additional 2mm to the back strap, and the Gen 4 just continued on with the Gen 3 SF design, which reduced the trigger reach by 2 to 3mm. Also noticeable right away is the new reversible mag catch. It's longer, it's also wider, so it can't be retrofitted to the Gen 3. And if you are a left-handed shooter, the Gen 4s come with 3 magazines, so at least you'll have 3 magazines right out of the box. Obviously, if you're a right-handed shooter, you can use all of your old magazines. Internally, biggest difference is the dual spring recoil assembly, and Glock also added a more rigid trigger bar. I can't tell a whole lot of a difference. I only have 500 rounds through each of these at the moment, which isn't a lot. I'm going to put both of them into competition use, so I'll have several more thousand rounds by the end of the year, and if anything comes up I'll let you know. But it shoots like a Glock. They're just as accurate as the shooter, and like I said, I'm looking forward to shooting both of these in competition. I haven't shot either of them from the last several meets. I just kind of been holding back and practicing with them, but I will put both into competition shortly. And I'll run some video real quick of the Gen 3 and then the RTF2 and the Gen 4, so you can see the different textures. This texture is what Glock refers to as cupids. They run 360 degrees around the receiver. For me, it's incredibly comfortable. I like the RTF2, but I heard a lot of people whining, saying how sharp it was, but the Gen 4 is a lot less sharp, and it's incredibly comfortable. It's a Glock, guys. It's reliable. It is as accurate as the shooter. Perfection.